guys, didn't see you over there. Remember my last video? It had lots of indicators and lots of colors. Indicators change color in different pH. Today, we are going to be making a different indicator, and it is called purple sweet potato powder. But before I talk about anything else, let me talk about the water to you guys. See this, guys? This is water. When water is a low pH, it is acidic. When water is a high pH, it is alkaline or basic. Now, let's make a sweet potato indicator. All you need to do is get a little bit on your spoon and pour it in water. A little bit more. Then mix it. Nice purple color. Now, let's test my indicator in vinegar, water, and baking soda. Don't forget to mix it very gently. Wow! Vinegar turned pink and water turned purple and baking soda turned bluey green. This means this indicator is pink in acidic water, purple in neutral water, bluey green in alkaline water. This is our control test. We need a control test, guys, to know what the colours mean, because now we are going to do electrolysis. Now let me show you how to make acidic and alkaline water. How are we going to do this, guys? First, I'm going to put 6 scoops of water-absorbing polymer into my container. Next, I'm going to put 3 scoops of purple sweet potato powder into my container. Now I'm going to fill my container with water. Stir gently until the powder dissolves. Wow, it's getting thicker. It's starting to look like snow. Down. Look, it's my neutral color. Wow, the polymer is expanding. Now I'm going to put my carbon rods into these holes. Now put the rod holder into the container. Connect a wire to each carbon rod. Attach a battery. Electricity is inside this battery. Electricity is the movement of invisible charged particles. Electricity will turn some of the water particles into ions. Ions are particles with a charge. I wonder what will happen if I put more batteries. Now I have 4 batteries with 36 volts. Wow, look at the colors, aren't they pretty? Look at all those bubbles. Look at the colors chasing each other. The pink is the acid and the greeny blue is the alkaline. Where they mix is where they turn back to water. This happens in the middle. That's called neutralization. Those batteries might be hot now, so be careful. Be careful not to leave those batteries connected for too long. How cool is that, guys? I hope you liked my experiment. Please subscribe and give me a bunch of thumbs up. Love Lana Banana Science.